Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. Installing the Universal Flat Stopper with spacer and horn. In the box, you will find wall gasket, cover with horn and service pin, and spacer with conduit windows and tabs. 2 conduit weather gaskets, a set of anchors and screws, and the installation directions for technical support. Prep your Universal Flat Stopper for assembly. Break off all conduit windows and tabs, and trim off all the edges with a sharp knife. For indoor application, choose and insert appropriate conduit tab for your installation. For outdoor applications, choose and insert the conduit weather gasket and mount the form-in-place wall gasket. To mount your Universal Flat Stopper with spacer and horn, you will need a pen or pencil, a power drill, the appropriate drill bit for mounting, and a Phillips bit tip. Position your closed cover over the device to verify alarm clearance, and use the frame mounting holes to mark your drilling guides. Pre-drill all 4 of your marked holes. If mounting surface requires anchors, gently hammer in all 4. Secure frame to the wall with screws provided. Lift cover and pull out the service pin to activate your alarm. Keep this service pin for future maintenance. Your Universal Flat Stopper is now ready for protecting.